I was looking for a cheap 3D rubber patch to replace this, so I found this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, this GPS backpack is awesome, and the patch right here just kind of says what it is, but it's also removable, so you can definitely customize this with your favorite patch. Someone like Such or something like that, you can support them, or Hank Strange. But I wanted something that would make this look a little bit more like just your regular, everyday, day pack, backpacking, camping gear, and I found this. It's cheap. Wildcamping International. I found that they're a UK-based company that make camping products, but they had this on Amazon for like $3, and it is a nice little 3D patch. It's gray and round, and there's nothing super fancy about it, but I think when you look at it, you definitely think camping. And so I wanted to put it on here. I removed the backing, and you can see it just goes right on here, and it covers up the Velcro pretty nicely, but the Velcro underneath it is tan anyway, so kind of blends in. But that gives it a little bit more of a camping utilitarian look, and it's just a little bit easier to be more stealth with something like this on there. So if you want to pick this up, it's only like $3. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.